Find or read reviews that people are talking about. DOUYINPAY LED Light Sign for car, blue taxi sign light decal for car windshield, with suction cups, flashing hook on car window, LED bright lights. USB plug. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose. The light color is blue. The car USB interface is applicable, which is convenient. Suitable for all cars. Bright LED lights glow. Use our LED signs light, let your customers see your car at the first time, reduce your waiting time. The pattern is clear and glow, your car visible from far away. Especially in the darkness of night, it is very striking for passengers to see your car. Improve your customer rating. Our LED light sign can give customers a different experience. Customers can find your car easily, and more customers will willing to give you better reviews. Easy to use. Easy installation. DOUYINPAY LED signs light with 2 suction cups, easy hook on and off with suction cup remain on the windshield. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.